Check out what we have here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Wow. 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air Nomad two-door wagon. 350 small block Chevy power underneath the hood. And that is bored 30 over. Has flat top pistons. Mild cam, GM roller rockers, dark cast iron heads. We'll start it up at the end of the video, let you hear it run too. It's paired up with a turbo hydromatic 400 automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes, a Viper red exterior color. Take a look at the chrome, bright work up front, headlight bezels, grille. Good looking front end. All right, still pictures. So you can see the underside, interior, engine bay. All the still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on 5-spoke American Racing polished wheels. BF Goodrich radial tires. It's been lowered 4 inches in the front, 3 inches in the rear. Nice stance. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see that trim, bright work looking good. No major nicks, dings, scratches that I've noticed in this one. We'll kind of peek as we walk around. There's a couple little spots, and I mean minute. A couple little bubbles there. Interior two-tone black with gray. Vinyl cloth combination. B&M shifter, retro sound style radio. We'll get around to the driver's side. Check that out a little bit closer. There will be some bright work pieces that go along with this, as well as a owner's guide. That's what's in the tube right there. I'll put it back in the car. You'll see it in the still pictures. Take a look at the chrome and the bright work on the rear of the car. Of course, that Nomad tailgate, if you will. Once again, all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. A few notes from the technician on this one. Digital dash. Fuel gauge does read a little less than actually what's in it. Speedo reads a little fast compared to how you're going. Retro sound radio is working. Wipers do work. No shakes or vibrations. Brakes straight. Brakes are 90% in the front and the rear. New rear brake hoses. Does have a gear driven timing, not a chain. Like I said earlier, lowered 4 inches in the front, 3 in the rear. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like these Tri-5s, no matter what year, no matter what body style, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. No major nicks, dings, scratches on this driver's side either. Look at the stance of this vehicle. Looks good. Something also I've always loved about these Nomads, how they have the sliding event window in the rear. Get a little peek in there at the interior. Nice shape. Doesn't look like it's been sat in a whole lot. Matching door panels. Black carpeting in good shape. One of those where it's got floor mats on the floor mats, as you can see. Tilt column. I think we need to start this up. Let's hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood too. Fires right off. There's that digital dash. Retro sound radio. Let those fire up. You can hear that is working. Again, a B&M shifter paired up with that turbo hydromatic 400. Good looking dash. Visors, headliner, nice looking crossbows too. Door closes nicely, and listen to this. You can hear that mild cam. $350 small block Chev, board 30 over, sounding good. All right, let me pause this a second. We're gonna get this hood open, check out that engine bay, and then stick around. Jason will take it for a drive, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. All right, there's the underside of the hood, nice and clean, basically painted black. Electric pusher fan. There's a switch underneath the dash towards you is on. There's also a mechanical fan. There it is, a small block Chev, power steering, power brakes, MSD ignition. Headers, as you can see. Battery disconnect when it's in storage or in between drives. Nice, clean, tidy engine, man. It's a good looking engine. You can also hear the gear drive. Rolling rockers. (1955) Chevrolet Bel Air Nomad Wagon. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus.
Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars,
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
our showroom,
One of 114.
and beyond. New episodes every week, only on Motorhood.
Today we're driving an amazing 1955 Chevrolet Nomad. There's nothing not to like about this. The sound is great, the look is great, the performance is great. Now it's an automatic with a B&M shifter. So you could put it down in 1 and then go 2, 3 if you're on a drag strip, or just put it in drive. It's easy to drive. Stereo sounds great, that's digital.
Saving money these.
Let's hear it out on the highway. Very fun to drive. Nice, what you might call a glass pack sound to that exhaust. You just want to play with it. Tachometer right there. Digital fuel showing we have 46% of a tank full. The volts are at 13.3, which is charging above 12. The oil PSI is 70. Water temperature 166. There is a cooling fan switch to the left of the column under the dash. I have not pushed that yet because we haven't even approached 180. Nice bench seating with cloth in the middle, so you're not going to stick to it. The wipers work on this car. The blower motor also works. So if you're having a cool night, you can throw some heat. Smooth braking, power brakes, power steering. Just a great look, great performance, easy to drive car. And when have you seen a 55 Nomad this nice? There's not many out there. Nice firm shifts from the automatic transmission. Starts up and idles nicely right away. And I just love that sound. Find all the pictures of this 55 Nomad at uniqueclassiccars.com.